Hi, hello. We're exploring methods to factor trinomials, and today I'm going to show you the second method that was the method that I used for many years before checking method number one, that is calling from the last video. I hope that you enjoyed this method and choose the best for you. So we're going to use the method. We have the polynomial 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. We're going to use the same to see that the differences and how to get the answer. And this is the idea. The first idea is to recognize which one is A, which one is B, and which one is C. So A is 3, B is negative 2, and C is negative 5. Now, after you recognize A, B, and C, what we're going to do is to multiply out all the polynomial by A, and we're going to divide all the polynomial by A. I mean, we're multiplying by 1. A divided A is 1. But we're going to multiply it in such a way that the polynomial will be of the form x squared plus bx plus c. So multiply out the polynomial by a. In this case, 3. So what do we have? We can write a fraction, and here is a multiply out by a. Okay, multiply out the polynomial by a and divide, multiply out and divide it. Okay, and divide the polynomial by a. So we have here, and we're going to multiply out the trinomial. 3x squared times 3, so this way will be 9, but we can write it as 3x everything to the second power, okay? And we have the first term to the second power, minus negative 2, 3x, okay, we could write it 6x, but we're going to write it just 3 times 2, 2 times 3x, and 3 times 5 is 15. So now we multiply out polynomial, multiply and divide the polynomial by a equals 3. Now we have here as numerator a trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, in this case, there's no a equals 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 15. So we need to find two numbers whose product is negative 15 and whose sum is 2. So we know that we have to write the trinomial in the form 3x because it's the x in this case, and 3x here, and two numbers whose product is negative 15 and whose sum is negative 2, so is negative 5 and positive 3. Okay, and notice that each binomial that we factor could have a GCF, so you can factor here the GCF. You can factor the GCF. So factor out the GCF from each binomial and simplify the fraction. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay. Let me show you this part. Such a way that is nice. Okay, now which one is the GCF here? 3. So we can factor the GCF. 3 times x, 3x, and 3 times 1 is 3. Simplify, so we can simplify the fraction. And finally we have 3x minus 5 times x plus 1. Okay? As you could see, checking with the first method, we have the same factoring but using other method, okay? To me, method number 1 helps you because it uses factor by grouping and is really cool. And here, method number 2, I like it so much because you transform your trinomial into another trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c. Next time I'm going to show you method number 3. That is a method that I'm not used a lot, but it's pretty cool. It's for people who has an excellent logic brain. See you next time, and thanks for watching.